Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or night whenever you're watching this video. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaGeorgia Creation Designs. Welcome to another pop-up DIY special. I'm coming to you all today to show you how to make some hoop earrings using these buttons. Every now and then, y'all, when I go into the Dollar Tree has buttons. You will be amazed at the things that you can make and create just using buttons. So I am going to make a pair of hoop earrings using these buttons. Here are the items that you are going to need. You're going to need some buttons, of course. You're going to need some wire cutters, some round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and hopefully get yourself a pair that has some ridges in between them. I have some memory wire and a fish hook. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a loop on our memory wire. Just like this. Now what we're going to do, once you make that loop, you're going to take your flat nose pliers, come up and squeeze it down. And try to make sure that it is flushed up against your wire, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to start putting on our buttons. And the thing I like about this DIY is it's a fun DIY. You can put these on any way you would like, any way you see fit. You just add them on, no particular way, because however the design come out is however the design come out, okay? So you just put them on, and you can make so many different types of earrings. You can make it, the sky is the limit when it comes to buttons. I've seen people make necklaces using buttons, all different types of ideas, many different things that you can do and create and make just using buttons. And I know that this is my second DIY, but I'm on a mission. So I'm trying to push out as many of these as possible. And like I said, they don't have to be in any order. You just put them on as you see fit. A lot of these are almost pretty much, I'm not going to say the same size, but some of them come in, bigger, like this one here is a bigger one. It's just so many things you can do with buttons, y'all. And the thing about it is, when you make and you create something and you wear it, most people won't even know. They won't even know that it's buttons that you have on here. You can look at this, but you won't be able to tell that it's buttons. And so almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Almost there. And these these earrings only take a good maybe 20 minutes, maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes to create. And this is something that you can make. Say, for instance, you're going out somewhere and you don't have something to go with something that you're wearing. And by this being really colorful, it can match up and go with just about anything. These are more of a fun type of earring. It's not something for you to, like, it's not a dressy earring. It's more of a, like a movie type of earring, dinner type of earring. And so you have your option or your choice to make these as big as you want them to be. You can make them really large, but I don't want mine to be large, really, really large, but you can make them as big or as small as you would like. I just pretty much wanted to come and show y'all how these would look as far as some really cute hoops. Okay. So I'm going to stop right here. And this is pretty much what I am going to have as far as my earrings. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to make a loop, but I'm going to do it to the side of my wire. So I'm going to do just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to do like that. Take this piece, put it on there just like that. I'm going to come up to the top and I'm going to use my flat nose pliers. I'm going to squeeze that as tight as I can get it. And the reason why I say get you some with some ridges in between, because it will, once you place these over top of the wire and squeeze them in, it'll fit down in the ridges, and it'll be able to hold it as tight as you want it to so that it doesn't move. Okay. It'll hold it in place. And that's what you want right there. And then the next thing you do is you take your fish hook, you open it up, and you place it on your earring. And it doesn't really matter which way you place it, front or back, it's the same. You squeeze this in, and you have yourself a really cute pair of hoop earrings. Okay, how cute is that? And like I said, you can wear these anywhere. People won't even know that they're buttons. So I want to thank you all for watching this pop-up DIY special. There are going to be many, many more coming your way, ladies and gentlemen, so be looking out for them. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome week, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.